record first. Recording. Where is that? Or may ghost. Chalo.
Should I also send you my video?
Are you a host?
Yeah.
You can send
For
if you
my
want.
ad?
If you want to put in WhatsApp on YouTube, you can send.
A video which came 18 hours ago.
If you want to,
Have I met?
Can I start? Can I
yeah,
start?
start. Just start. Hey, what is problem? Problem should be there.
Sir, Ibad is annotating on the board.
Good. Good one. There. But what is this? Problems. Problem should be there. What problem?
Sir, I wrote problem.
Rehan Islam, you are having problem?
Mm-mm.
You are having problems?
No, sir.
No.
Sir, did you start the class now or did you start it earlier? Because I just came.
Just now only over there that shown the video.
I was making something.
This ad shown by over there just now laptop.
Sir, I saw Huawei Huawei D14.
Yeah, why
D14.
Huawei Mate 10 13.
You are making again? Udaردar, you are making again?
No, sir. Its name is Mate 10
Ah.
13.
Now
Mate
change the,
13 or D13?
change the host now.
Sir, I admitted Nirav.
Change the host. Quickly.
Done.
Very good. Now who is coming? Rehan Islam, you are ready?
Sir, I deleted mine. Sir, next class I will do it again.
Next class, inshallah, if you remain alive, we will see.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Now,
Sir, I'm already seeing symptoms.
we will continue.
I'm joking.
Now, why the advertising is linked with democracy? They show that small businessmen cannot show the advertisement even lakhs of rupees are there, so inequality is there in the market. Now, it also makes us think that the packaged goods is better than the goods which are sold in the loose in the market or which do not come in packets. This is a wrong conception. It is not guaranteed that the packaged goods which we are buying is of good quality in comparison to those which are not in the packets. Maybe sometimes those who are selling loose are of very good quality instead of the goods which we are packaged. So we cannot say with guarantee because the quality of the product will not do with anything with the package or packaged goods or brand goods. Because it is coming in packaging or it's packaged,
Sir,
doesn't
they
mean that
actually are the same thing, but
it doesn't mean that it will be very good. This is a wrong conception, and that's why this shift to packaged products negatively affects the sales of small businesses, forcing people out of their livelihood, and that's why people are forced out of the livelihood because of this only, because no one buys their product. All runs for the packaged because advertisement is there and think the packaged goods are very good. So those small businesses which are selling the loose or which are selling the small quantities, sometimes not able to sell their products.
sir, another Ilyas came.
As a result, its
I saw his face.
livelihood is affected.
Little bit.
Who is this boy? Now I will remove both Ityas.
I saw his face in the start.
Who is this boy?
Sir, I saw. Sir, it was like, you know how
Sir.
Awais keeps his camera. I know it's not Awais. It's not Awais. But it's not Awais. But then he kept his camera like Awais. Like he was holding his phone and looking like down at it.
Sir, don't remove both Itihas, sir.
So I removed that point. You never entered.
I thought he was the real Itihal, but then I could have seen him.
No, I've never known to enter. 18 are there already. All are present. 18 are there. Hussain is not present. 19 are there. No problem. All are present. 7th class. So no need of anyone coming now. Those who have I accidentally go out and again come, they will also be not be allowed to enter now. So this advertisement sometimes throws the people out of their livelihood also, because people don't stop buying their product. They think that packaged good is very good, and they do not buy the loose goods, which may be good in comparison to the package, but because packaged good is packaged good. Then in democracy in which all people are equal and should be able to lead a life of dignity, advertising tends to promote
Mute yourself.
Mute your mic.
So in a democracy, all people are equal, and you should not promote to able to lead a dignity, but advertisement tends to promote a certain lack of respect for the poor people, because they are not showing the life of the people, poor people in their advertisement. They always show big houses, sports cars, big swimming pools, film star actors. They are only showing them. No poor person is shows the advertisement, comes in the advertisement as a model. Neither they show their life. They don't show the village or hut or slum area or something, pavement or under the bridge. They don't show them. It shows only the high class people, big houses, big thing, everything. And they are not the faces which we often see in the advertisement. So we say that their life is worthless. That's why we are not showing the life of the poor. Then it makes personal emotion to the people. So sometimes the poor people who are not able to buy, they feel guilty. Why they are poor? Why they can't buy this product? To help their children or respect the guests. Sometimes it happens that they tend to feel that they cannot take care of their loved ones because they are poor. They cannot buy that product. So sometimes emotions are those which affect the life of the people very much. And because advertisement focus on the rich life of rich and poor, famous, then we forget the issue of poverty, discrimination, dignity, which is all central to the functioning of equality of a democracy, because everybody has a right, has a dignity. And more than just selling the product, advertisement tells us how should we live our lives, what should we dream of, what we aspire of, how should we express love, how to be smart, successful, and beautiful. But as a citizen of democratic society, it is important for us to be aware of strong influence that advertising has on our life. So that's why they say whenever you see the advertisement, critically analyze it so that we can make better decisions about whether we want to wish to buy this product or not. You have to take that decision very, very, very critically. Don't go by the advertisement. Take the decision yourself. Think after thinking very critically that if I that product, I spend this much of money, it will be worth or not. Or other products available in the market are equal to this or better than this in lower cost, less cost. Or the old and famous is very good. Farhanullah wants to show the advertisement. Very good. I mean, Farhanullah can show advertisement. I will call the and unmute all. And then make the Farhanullah host.
Are you unmuting me?
Everybody unmute.
He unmuted
Are you
all.
unmuting me?
He unmuted all.
Farhanullah.
Okay.
Farhanullah, you are the host. Start your head. Now you are the host.
Just
Start.
a minute. Just. Yes, sir. Project. Soon. Screen optimize that. that's it.
What have you? Where is your head?
Yes, sir, I should. Sir, I should.
Where I could not see anything. Only music was coming.
Everyone saw, right?
No, not coming. Only music was coming.
Sir, they saw, everyone else saw.
Sir, we saw.
But me, I cannot saw. It was a blank screen.
Sir, then make him the host again so you can see.
Yeah, again, I am making. She's out Kenton. But everybody saw, but I didn't saw nothing. Only music was coming. Again, do.
Share screen. Again, sir.
Now it comes. Good.
Sir, everyone is sending that unmute me, enable chat.
Hello, sir.
Good one. Hello, sir. Who is saying hello?
Sir, I admitted Hussain, sir.
Now we'll make. Unmute all.
Sir, everyone is saying to unmute themselves.
Unmute. Okay, all are unmute now.
Okay. After that, in 2020, Travels of Farhan's digs came in the travel magazine. In
Yeah.
2020,
Sir, I did not make any advertisement, but in the break, I made something. Can I show that?
Yeah, sure. No problem. Sure.
Okay, sir.
Sridhar Pandey should be made a post.
So Sridhar Jadhav is advertising his cup, and inside the cup is something I don't know.
मुझे लग रहा है जैद पठान कर रहा है गड़बड़ नए नए नाम से आ रहा है ज्वाइन कर रहा है ये बदमाशी करता है
Sir, can you unmute SP again?
SP again unmuted ना
but Zed also
Zed
Sir,
also
he
wants to-
mistakenly muted himself.
shouting his throat off. Muscles to unmute.
हाँ, go ahead Sridhar Pandey how much time you take
Thank you, sir.
हाँ
Sir, still host disabled participant screen sharing.
Sir, make him the host.
so I make you host now
Yes.
are you ready with your program
Yes, sir.
okay coming where is
Sir, can I show it next time?
okay no problem
Sir, when I become the host, can I change the setting to participant screen sharing?
no
Nope.
Okay.
But anyone can screen share.
Yeah.
Sir, so for this you are giving marks?
yeah
Okay.
now
So, sir,
start
if I do next, sir, if I do next period, will you give me marks?
yeah next
Sir, then give me marks.
Pandey sir go ahead
Sir, I will do it next class, sir. I forgot.
Sir, did you like mine?
Yeah, very good.
Sir, I made it's only short, it's 16 seconds, but still.
No problem.
Hussein. Sir
Then
Hussein.
stop it.
You don't allow any Hussein.
What happened?
He is not Hussein. Hussein has a profile picture.
Sir. What the heck? Sir Hussein is just scribbling over my screen.
Hussein is not there.
I saved the screen. I saved
This is not Hussein. This is someone else.
Sir, can you just remove the other Hussein?
Yeah, remove other. No, remove other Hussein. Remove the not allow.
Wait.
Either party not allow anyone to enter now.
lock the meeting.
There is no one called Hussein now.
No one allow. No one. Not allow anyone now.
Lock meeting.
Start now. No one allowed now in the class. No, don't allow anyone now.
Don't lock the meeting.
Wait, I will share the screen. I forgot to. Where is this? Yeah.
I want to save the screen, okay?
Okay. They're done.
Nice. I saved each and every part of it.
What happened? Oh no. Oh, pause. It's not getting paused.
Click space bar.
Oops.
When I go to gallery view.
So that was an advertisement by Mr. Sridhar Pandey. Very good. Spotlight video.
Sir, I have another one. Sir, I have
Yeah.
another one. Can I show?
Participant.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have another one. Can I show?
Yeah, sure. Which advertisement or something else?
Yeah, advertisements are on
Okay.
electronics.
So you are host now. And don't allow anyone in the class.
Okay, sir.
Sir, Itihas is shouting. He wants to be unmuted.
Sir, that's it. Sorry.
Sir, Itihas wants to be unmuted.
Farhan, did you make that or?
No, actually, yeah, it's a website. You just take a template and edit your own way.
That's it. You can do it. I only added the website thing. I didn't even touch anything. Only the website name only I edited.
Shahid has already opened. Shahid has already unmuted. The page getting recorded. Farhanullah will be recorded. He wants to unmute. Okay.
this. That's just, and this is a real website. You can check it if you want.
You can't see.
Ram is actually has.
Thanks goes here. Bro, you forgot to edit
Actually,
something.
I was
You forgot to edit something.
I was in such a big hurry that
Actually,
end the meeting
You,
that
Ram is make me the host. Make me the host.
Host.
In starting, I thought that Ramesh is selling locks for lockdown.
Not funny.
Because it was like obey the lockdown.
Yeah, Ramesh, make me the host, please.
First, Sridhar, make the host and mute everyone.
No, I won't, but make me the host. Ramesh,
This is going on recording. You guys should know that.
I know that, but Ramesh. Oops. Yes. You can hear?
Yeah.
Yes. Now it's stopped.
That's not a real website, okay? That's just SVCom.
Okay, that's what it's lagging a lot. I forgot to do some editing.
Done. What did you say?
I forgot
What
to
did
do
you
some
say?
editing. I
Thanks
forgot to
goes
do
here.
some editing.
No, I just left. I just edited the
Okay, we leave.
first 2-3 things.
First you watch the whole video, then
So should I end meeting?
No, you make me host then
I'll
first.
make you the host.
Then we will see what to do.
Where is
F4. Oh my god.
Sir, your network bandwidth is low.
yeah.
Is it bandwidth or bandwidth?
Yeah, so your network bandwidth is low.
Bandwidth
Okay, now
or
it's okay.
bandwidth. Anything
Okay now.